Hi, I'm Yujie here. Now, I would like to introduce Figma to you. Before that, I want to explain why we will need UI/UX design tools. In a way, every designer is a user experience designer for every user interface. Whether you are designing a website, logo, or even a social media post, you need to think about how users perceive your designs, how they will explore content, format text for readability, color choice, and etc. Having a proper tools map for crafting such design with accurate user experience and user interface layout is a must for all designers. It goes a long way to make your entire design process and workflow go as smoothly as possible. So, Figma is one of the prototyping tools that help us to design an interface. So, what is Figma? Figma is a cloud-based vector design and prototyping tools for digital projects. It's made so that users can collaborate on projects and work pretty much anywhere. Like many other tools, Figma is supported by a robust community of designers and developers that share plugins to increase functionality and speed up workflow. Actually, who will use Figma? Figma is a solid tool and with a free plan available. It's worth trying for anyone who is working in the digital space and most appreciated by people working on more collaborative teams. Other design and prototyping tools lack of this key feature or just don't have the same ability as Figma. This feature alone can save designers time and make projects run more smoothly. There are many other platforms that serve the same purpose as Figma. In the global market, there are many competitors to Figma. Sketch app used to hold the throne as one of the most versatile design apps out there. There is until two new contenders surface to challenge the throne, which are Figma and Adobe Both Figma and Adobe apps are not only developed by industrial leaders, but offer some amazing features that manage to steal many users away from Sketch. However, what makes Figma famous and win over other platforms? There are many advantages of using Figma. Firstly, Figma takes the lead in terms of performance and accessibility. The app is lightweight enough to work on a browser and works quite smoothly, and the tools work much faster even on low-end computers and laptops. Secondly, Figma is also a cross-platform tool. This means you can use the app no matter which platform you are on, and you can even log into the app to edit your projects from any computer. The second place goes to Adobe XD, which also works on both Windows and Mac devices. However, you still need to install the software on your computer and sign up for a free Adobe account. And on the last place is Sketch, as it's only available on Mac devices, although having some advantages over both Figma and XD. Figma is a vector-based design tool that is highly scalable. It works for individual projects as well as massive team projects. The browser-based design is smart enough to save your work as you go and even keep up if you momentarily lost an internet connection. Here are the features you can get in Figma. Firstly, modern pen tool that let you draw in any direction and instant art design. Automated tasks via plugin for repeated elements to speed up project. Smart selection tool with auto adjustment. Also, Figma has the features of creating design system and component, inspect design files and grab code snippets, smart animation to connect objects and transitions, and so much more. There are three types of pricing available in Figma. First is starter free package. It is up to 2 editors and 3 projects with 30-day version history and unlimited cloud storage. Next is professional package, which is $15 per editor per month. It includes unlimited projects, unlimited versions, custom file and user permissions, invite-only private projects, and shareable theme libraries. Lastly is Organization Package, which is $45 per editor per month. It includes everything in professional plus organization-wide design system, centralized theme, private plugins, plugin administration, share phones, single sign-on, and advanced security. Figma also offers reduced pricing for annual versus monthly payment and has student pricing. In conclusion, if you want a cloud-based tool and need something that puts emphasis on collaboration, Figma is likely the right choice for you. It works on Mac and PC thanks to the cloud interface and has functionality similar to Sketch and App.xd. Figma has been around long enough to earn a solid reputation among designers and developers, and it can be a solid tool in your kit. That's all for the introduction to Figma. Thank you.